The Doppler effect is the effect that we hear when a car passes in front of us, and what we hear is... If the sound source is moving forward, this will reduce the wavelength, so when it arrives to our ear, it will be as if it had a higher frequency, so a higher pitch. In the same way, when the source moves away, this increases the wavelength. Then we perceive it with a lower frequency, so a lower pitch. The real sound that the car is emitting is the one that we hear as it passes right in front of us. Let's listen to the example again now that we can understand the effect.